Hey guys, welcome back to Sun City Living. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, I have a treat for you guys. It is a very special house, not the type of floor plan that we typically see here in El Paso. So I'm very excited to show it to you. This one is built by Crown Heritage Homes, brand new. This house is 3182 square feet, and it is priced at 740, just a little under 743. So it is a little bit of a higher price point than we usually see here in Horizon, but it is stunning. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious about what your thoughts are on this one, since like I said, it is a little bit different to what I usually feature and what's usually being built here in Horizon. If you are not subscribed to the channel, I invite you to subscribe. I feature all things El Paso, property tours, community tours, and I'd hate for you guys to miss out on any of that information. So subscribe, enjoy the tour, let me know what you guys think. Guys, so typically whenever I do home tours, I throw on some music and I just let you guys enjoy the tour. But today I'm going to grace you with some commentary because I am obsessed with this house. So this house is a custom home by Crown Heritage. It is over 3,000 square feet and it is priced at a little under 743. This house has a lot of features that I really love, starting off with the courtyard in front that you guys just saw, and then this area in the backyard. So not only does it have a really big lot, but it has this entertainment area in between both sides of the house, as you can see, and it has dual sliding doors on each side. So to me, that sounds perfect for parties. I also really love that there's two sections to this house, and I will show you why. So as you walk in to the right, you walk right into this area of the house here, which is my favorite part, but I'm gonna leave that for the end of the video. So as you walk in, you're gonna come across this half bath for your guests. And then you're going to go right into the main area with your kitchen and living room. You're gonna have beams over the top of the living area that is also going to be shared as a dining area. And you've got these beautiful light with all of these windows and that cultured stone fireplace all the way to the ceiling. Kitchen. Pantry with a lot of shelving. All right, and we'll head over to the main areas of the house, such as the master bedroom and the secondary bedrooms. So the master is going to be at the end of this hall, and then you've got the secondary bedrooms over to the left. So we'll start in the master. I don't know if you guys can see that barn door here. Huge dual vanity walk-in closet. Bathroom, and then your shower does have a double entrance. tub. And I'm really feeling these sink vessels. They're so pretty. So in the main house, you're gonna have the master bedroom and 2 secondary bedrooms. Here you're gonna have access to the 2-car garage. And then you've got a full bathroom here. But there's more. So this part of the house is perfect for a mother-in-law suite or college kid that wants his own space. So here you'll see that door is to the garage. So this is to the single car garage. And as you enter the suite, you're gonna walk right in. It has a full bedroom with a full bathroom, but it also has a common area, linen closet. So it has its own entrance, so you could do a living room in here, and then it does have a kitchenette as well. I've seen these a lot, but the ones that I've seen did not have this additional bedroom, so I really love this idea because they not only get their bedroom, but they also have a living space and a kitchen. And so here's that bathroom. So yeah, again, this is very unique, not something we see in El Paso a whole lot. And it's definitely a really nice feature to have if you are needing some extra space. Right outside of that, you're gonna have the laundry room. It has some natural light coming in and another linen closet. So yeah, guys, obsessed. I can't get over all of this natural light and just the flow of the house, and how it can be perfect for somebody that is looking to have their own family living in the house, plus their mom or a college kid that needs their own space. This is perfection. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm curious.